In this video, you'll learn how to add leaves in Zoho People. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you feel confident submitting your leave request correctly. First, make sure you're logged in to your Zoho People account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Operations. This is where Zoho keeps a lot of day-to-day HR actions, including leave management. Go ahead and click on Operations to open that section. Once the Operations panel is open, you'll want to find the option called Leave Tracker. This is the central area where you can see and manage everything related to your time off. Click on Leave Tracker and the system will bring you to a page that focuses on your leave balances, histories, and requests. On the Leave Tracker page, look for Leave Requests. This is where you can see past and current requests and where you'll start a new one. Click on Leave Requests to open the list. You might see a table with any previous requests you or your team have made, along with their status, such as pending, approved, or rejected. Don't worry if yours is empty, that just means you haven't added anything yet. To create a new leave entry, find the button that says Add Request. This is usually located near the top of the page. Click on Add Request, and a form will pop up or a new page will open, depending on how your Zoho People layout is configured. Now, you'll be entering the details of your leave. The first important field is the leave type. This could be something like casual leave, sick leave, vacation, or any custom type your organization has set up. Click on the drop-down for leave type and select the one that best matches the time off you're requesting. Choosing the correct leave type is important because it affects which leave balance is used and how your request is processed by HR or your manager. Next, configure the reason and other information requested on the form. Typically, you'll see fields for start date, end date, whether it's a full day or half day, and a text box for your reason. Take a moment to fill these out carefully. For example, if you're taking sick leave, you might briefly explain that you're unwell and need a couple of days to recover. If your company requires documents such as a medical certificate, there may be an option to attach files as well. Pay close attention to the dates you enter. Make sure the start and end dates are correct and that you're not accidentally overlapping with weekends or holidays unless your company rules allow it. Double check the reason field to ensure it's clear and professional, as this is what your manager will see when approving your request. Once you've entered the leave type, reason, dates, and any other required details, review everything one more time. When you're satisfied that all the information is accurate, scroll down and click the Save button. This will submit your leave request into the system. After saving, your request will usually appear in the leave requests list with a status like pending approval. From there, your manager or HR team can review and approve or reject it based on your company's policies. You can always come back to the leave tracker and leave request sections to monitor the status of your request. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a leave in Zoho People using the built-in leave tracker and request tools.